Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, thank you also so much. So in this video we are going to be making lentils. So guys, without wasting much of your time, we are just going to dive into the video because the recipe is very simple and yummy. So guys, let's dive into the video. So over here are all my recipe. So over here is the lentils which I'm going to be cooking today. So I just took half of it. This one is organic lentils, so I took half of it and I just soak it inside the water. So this one is what I'm going to be cooking now. Over here I have 2 carrots, I have 1 zucchini here, I have 1 red bell pepper, 1 medium onions, I have turmeric here, I have 2 bay leaves, 1 non-Maggi cube, I have my dry spoon here, and over here is my scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, what we are going to do is just to go with our veggies. So we are going to wash and slice the veggies. So we are going to start by cutting our ginger and the garlic. To transfer it into. I just placed my pot on the gas now, so I'm going to be needing avocado oil. So it's what I'm going to be using for this recipe. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my avocado oil to my pot. Then I will be adding my ginger, my garlic to it. I'm just going to stir it for 1 minute, then add my onion. This is after about few minutes. So I'm going to add my carrots to it. This is my carrots. Red bell pepper, zucchini, later, guys, I will be adding a little bit of my tomato puree to it, so that will be enough. I'm just going to stir it together. This is my lentils, so I'm going to add it because I want everything to cook together. So I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to it now. I'm also going to be adding salt. This is my salt. Then I'm going to cover it, allow it to cook. Then I will come back and add my Maggi and then other things. So before I go, I'm going to add my 2 bay leaves into it. This is my 2 bay leaves. So I'm just going to allow it to cook. So guys, I'm just going to... Wow, the aroma, guys. Oh my daisies. The aroma. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt, but first of all, I'm going to add my dry prawns. I will be adding 1 no cube. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. This is my turmeric. I will be adding it, about 1 teaspoon of it, half teaspoon to say. I'm going to cover it, then allow it to cook. Yes, it's almost ready. It looks so yummy, delicious. Yes. Delicious, delicious. In the next few minutes, it will be ready. I'm just going to. It's ready, guys. It's ready. So I'm going to dish it out now. I'm just going to turn off my gas while we dish it out. So yummy, delicious. So you can eat it with anything. You can eat it with yam, or you can even take it like that. Like me, I'm going to, just use my baguette to soak it and start to eat it. Thank you also so much if you are watched up to this extent, and if you know you are hungry, don't forget my address is at the description box. Hurry now while we work together. Bye bye, and see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.